Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be playing Animal Jam with my friends today. This is T, this is Bugs, and this is Sealy, also known as Finn. Dances. Yes, Bugs, you gotta look rich for the camera. So cute. So cute. This is gonna be a very short video. I don't really know what to do. That's beautiful, T. That's so beautiful. Yes, this is T's beautiful den. There's Fluttershy over here, and then there's Rarity, and there's a cute little bow, Salt Cube, and then there's a giant forest with a bunch of stuff. This is such a pretty den. And I keep clicking on the thing. Imagine this doesn't save. I'm gonna cry. That's pretty much everything. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh my god, Wild is here. Hi, Wild. Running wild, jogging calmly. What is happening, Wild? Yeah, Wild, you can't say that. 6, 7. 6, 7. Don't you laugh at 6, 7, Wild? Congratulations. Wild is a 5-year-old little girl, by the way. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe, please.